Hey everyone, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is just about prepping for Aubrey's 4th birthday. Her birthday is next Saturday. Today is the Friday before a week before her party. So I just wanted to show the process of putting her party together. It's a sky theme from Paw Patrol, and there's going to be a little bit of mixture in that, but I'll show you that later. I'm just going to be putting like decorations together, gathering everything and looking at it to make sure that I have everything ready to go. And also she's napping downstairs right now, so I'm going to get her presents wrapped that I already have picked up in her Paw Patrol wrapping paper, and Rhett's going to join me, as you can hear. So this is going to be over the next couple of days or next week as we prep for her party. I'm just going to put it together of how we put together her sky themed Paw Patrol party. And yeah, I think that's it. I wanted to show y'all what I got her. So they didn't have anything that was on her list at Walmart. Like, she had like 5 things on her list, and they were either sold out or did not carry it. So we might have to look somewhere else or order on Amazon, and some things just might not be here. But I got her this, it's like a Frozen board game. She loves board games, and this one actually seems, it's for ages 5 and up, but it actually seems like something she could easily play with. And it was on clearance for like 11 bucks, and it's usually 20, but you fill up like the little tub with water, and I know that she'll love that part of it. And then you take like the little tweezers and try to get the first person to capture like all the little snowflake shards and put it together wins. So that seems really simple for her. So I got her that. And then, okay, so the second thing that I got her was this kitchen sink. It's like a kid's sink that you just fill it with water, and it keeps filtering the water for her to pretend like she's washing her own dishes. She does wash our dishes for chores, but I feel like this is something when she's outside with her pool and bounce house, she'll really enjoy using this. So I got her that, and I had such hard trouble finding her anything. I just grabbed her this because I figure by the time she gets over it, Rhett will be able to use it anyway, so. Okay, so the first and main thing I wanted to get done on this day was to just get her presents wrapped. Aubrey was napping on the couch, so this definitely seemed like the best time to go ahead and get that out the way. And Rhett was a lot of help while during this time. He is a handful trying to wrap presents with a 9-month-old crawling around you, but he did help a little bit, and then I had to occupy him with some toys because he was getting in the way a little bit. But I do think he's going to enjoy the kitchen sink a lot, the little toy sink, because when he first saw it, the couple of times I had it on the floor, he kept trying to play with it. And after I actually gave it to Aubrey, because as of now we've already celebrated her birthday, he has already started to try to play with it with her, so I think he's definitely going to like it a lot too. But anyways, yeah, so I just wanted to get the presents out the way while she was napping, and then after this I'm going to move on to get really into the nitty-gritty of getting this party put together. They didn't have any girly Paw Patrol wrapping paper, so this is what she's got. I just wanted to show the piñata we got her. So we found the sky one, and I have it filled up already. It's got like little Paw Patrol chapsticks and some candy, and the only thing they had at Walmart near us was Easter candy, and I was a little bit like, Easter was like almost a month away, but that's all they had. Other than like a bag of bubble gum, so I just grabbed that. They were out of all piñata candy, and they're like where you can get the semi-big bags of candy on the candy aisle wasn't there. It was like seasonal stuff, so I just grabbed that, and so it actually looks really cute with the colors of Easter with her party. I went ahead and pulled everything that's for the party out, so it's here. I don't forget to do anything, and today is Wednesday, the party is Saturday, so I can go ahead and get started so I don't forget anything.
I love her so much.
Okay, put all of them in there.
Okay. I want every step I change. Hey, who's that thing?
I'll put them all in there.
bad one.
So the main thing that actually took the longest with this party were all of the balloons that were put into it. We did an entire balloon arch that actually flowed down onto the floor, and I would say that was the most time consuming, blowing up the balloons and getting them put on the hooks, which I'll actually show you how we did the balloon arch in just a couple of minutes. But first I'm going to go ahead and show you how I got the balloon column started. I've got this little piece and I insert the end of the balloon in there and just twist them as I go up to make the colors, make the columns just the way that I wanted. This was super simple and easy. I actually got this kit off Amazon and I can link it down below if you would like. So yeah, I'm just going to show you how I make these columns really fast, and then after that I'll move on to showing you how we blow up and tie the balloons and also how we made that balloon arch.
Okay, so you take this part of the balloon and you put it in the bigger hole, and then you pull it.
The bigger hole?
Yeah, the bigger hole. Because there's like a bigger hole, and then once you put it through, you slide it down into the smaller hole. So right here, you can, Aubrey, pull it through, and then you pull it down, and then you just make sure it's secure. You end up with this. And then you grab. You do this.
Wrap it around.
So you put it far in your thumb. And then you go over.
Other way.
Oh my God. Maybe I'm backwards here.
Yeah.
There we go.
You hold it with the hand with this
Okay.
one.
Alright.
And then you wrap it like this. You come back over
Go through the middle.
and go through the middle.
Let me see your little tool. So now we're going to get this balloon arch actually hung on the wall. The best way to do this is with command hooks and fishing line, or at least that's what I would recommend. We actually use the bars that hold up the curtains to actually secure it, but I would highly recommend using command hooks and fishing line. That's what we did on the bottom part to expand it, because later in my second part of this video for Aubrey's party, you're going to see that we put a board behind there. So now we're just going to expand it onto the floor, and then after that we're going to go ahead and fill in any gaps or any awkward spots on the arch. So that's pretty much it for the balloon arch and this first part of Aubrey's party video. In the second video, you'll see the balloon arch come together with the rest of the decorations. Thank you guys so much for being here. Please subscribe if you like this video and give it a thumbs up if you would like to. Also comment down below if you have any questions. Thanks y'all. Bye.